DoorDash app not opening. So if your app is not opening, you can simply uninstall it and try reinstalling the app. For that, go to Play Store and search for DoorDash. DoorDash. It searches. Now tap on the app. Now tap on install. After you install it, now it will be installed. After your app is installed, tap on open and try logging in to see if the problem is fixed. If it doesn't solve the problem, and if you don't want to uninstall the problem or install the app, what you can do is hold on to the app for some time, tap on the icon, it is app info, it will lead you to settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap on storage, tap on clear case and tap on clear data. And after that, try restarting the app and this should solve the problem. If it still doesn't solve the problem, then make sure you have the latest version of it installed, or update the app by again going to the Play Store. And if nothing solves the problem, then what you can do is you can always report it to the DoorDash community, and they will look into your problem easily. And that's how you fix the problem, guys. Hope you find this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.